If you want to upload a video to Google Drive and get a shareable link, this quick tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. It's perfect for sending large video files to clients, classmates, teammates, or anyone else without worrying about email file size limits. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with the Google account you want to use. Once you're in Drive, look to the top left corner and click the plus New button. This is where Google Drive lets you upload files and folders. From the menu that appears, click File Upload. Now your device's file picker will open, so find the video file you want to upload. Select the video, then click Open. After that, Google Drive will begin uploading the file for you. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a little while, so just wait for the upload to finish completely. Once the upload is done, you should see your video appear in your Drive files. Now the next step is to get a share link. Right-click the uploaded video file, and from the menu that appears, click Get Link. A sharing window will open, and this is where you control who can access the video. By default, it may be restricted to only people you add, but if you want to share it easily, change the access setting to Anyone with the link. Then choose the permission level. For most cases, Viewer is the best option because it allows people to watch or view the file without being able to edit it. Once that's set, click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the shareable link to your clipboard, and now you can paste it anywhere you want, in a message, email, chat, or social post. That's it. Your video is now safely uploaded to Google Drive, and you've created a share link that others can open. Just remember, if you ever want to make it private again, you can go back into the sharing settings and change the access permissions later. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.